Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust car lights. First, park your car on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct, as this impacts accuracy. Next, gather your essential tools, which typically include a screwdriver and a measuring tape. These simple preparations ensure you get the best results for safer night driving. Now, measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight. Transfer this measurement to the wall, marking a horizontal line at that height. Then, mark vertical lines on the wall directly in front of each headlight's center. These marks will serve as your precise targets for proper beam alignment. With your low beams on, observe the light pattern projected onto the wall. Locate the adjustment screws on your headlight assembly. There are usually two per light, one for vertical and one for horizontal. Carefully turn the screws to align the top edge of the brightest part of the beam with your horizontal mark. Adjust the horizontal aim as needed. Finally, double-check that both headlights are aimed correctly, ensuring they are not too high, which could blind oncoming drivers, or too low, which reduces visibility. Test your high beams to confirm they also align properly. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Proper headlight adjustment significantly improves your safety and visibility on the road.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.